Hi, this is Harry with Rack Your Garage. Just a couple of comments for you about when you're thinking about installing a garage rack like this, and you want to work out, well, how many totes am I going to be able to store up there? Quite simple for you. Take the measurement to the height of your ceiling, so right here representing by this wood beam, so the height from there to the floor, and then think about what height you want it off the ground. Normally you want it at least 6 feet. Sometimes I normally suggest 7 feet, so take 7 feet off that number. That's your amount of space we've got to work for the rack. The thickness of this beam is 2 inches, so take 2 inches off of that, and now you've got your amount of space you can store things on. Totes. They're normally around 14 to 16 inches tall, each tote. So let's kind of break that down again. Height of the ceiling from the floor, take off 7 feet so you can walk underneath it. Then we know this bit, that height from there to there, okay, that number. And then the totes are 15, 16 inches tall. Now you know how many totes you can get up there. Quick example for you. That's 9 feet to there. I take off, I think we're about 6'4" off the ground here. That leaves me with 33 inches from here to here. I can get 2 of these totes because these ones are 15 inches high. There's the math. If you want to put up some storage racks in your garage, there's some simple math on how to work out what you can put up there once you've got it installed. Harry with Rack Your Garage.